Hello, this is Stefano with Stefano's Espresso Care. In addition to paying attention to the direction arrow when you're installing a two-way valve on a machine, on an Elektra machine there is an additional sediment screen located inside the solenoid valve base. It is one of the pieces that potentially can get clogged and must be inspected or replaced as necessary and as needed. Thank you for watching.